Hello and welcome to all my little children. DP Kids is back with another episode of making origami. Now, today I thought we'll make an 8-petaled flower today. It's a beautiful flower that you can use for any sort of decoration. Now, shall I show you how to make it? Take a square piece of paper and fold it in two so that you get a rectangular shape. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now on the other side, to the other side, flip it over so that the design or the color is not seen. Fold it in half to make a triangle and do the same thing on the other side as well. Now open it up so that we get the pattern or the colored side on top. Can you see the cross? Fold it in along those lines so you can get a square shape. Then slowly open it up and see whether it's situated towards your side. So this opening flap needs to be brought to the middle. The edge comes and meets the middle vertical line. Do the same thing on the other side. The top flap edge comes and meets at the middle. Then flip it over and do the same thing to the remaining flap. Now, can you see? You have to open these up again. Now slowly open it up while keeping this folded line just like that and pressing it down like this, and do the same thing on the other folding line so that you can put it together like this so that the flap that was outside goes inside. Do the same thing on the other side as well. This folding line and this folding line have been folded to their own starting direction. Then this side is a proper square's corner, and the other it's like a sort of a diamond shape, and all have gone inside. We need 8 pieces like this to make our flower. So I have brought the rest of it to show you how to make the flower. So see the opening side and the closed side. So put it into the other one. The opening side of one flower has to have the other closed side of the other petal inserted inside, and you can use some glue to put it together. Do the gluing or the pasting on either side. Now if you have 8 of these, you can make a beautiful flower, 8-petaled beautiful flower. So see what I have made. Now this paper is 15 into 15 centimeters, but what I'm showing you here is 7.5 centimeters in length and width. So that's the size of our paper that I have used. So there is a little thread to hang it with and a little piece in the middle to make it a beautiful flower. See how it looks? Isn't it beautiful? So we'll make more and more. So stay with us. Goodbye.